There's my cats, Precious on my lap, and Charlie on the rug, watching the birds and the squirrels and the chipmunks on Burger King. We love that one. Monday, Merry Monday, November 22nd, 2021. Charlie and Precious are 9 years old. Ooh, look at that one, Precious. Love you, Precious. Thankful for you, Precious. Appreciate you, Precious. Rub Mommy. And Mommy got coffee with After 8 cream in it. It's really good coffee mate. Very minty coffee. I love it. So much to be thankful. So much good things. Focus on the good and more good will come.